Hey everybody, Trishna here. Hope you guys are doing well. So as empaths, we're always trying to be there for other people. But there do come times when we're stretched way too thin, or we're double booked, or helping someone else will end up being at our own expense. And we're starting to enter into unhealthy territory, or maybe we already are in unhealthy territory, and things are just becoming way too much. And we realize that we need to say no, or we need to disappoint somebody. And that internal struggle to put ourselves first, even for a minute, is real. It's a real struggle. So today I want to talk about how to be all right with disappointing someone, which is a major challenge for empaths, and how to put ourselves first. And this video is going to be the foundation for a few other videos I'm going to be putting out that are going to address other challenges that empaths face, like how to not overgive in relationships and how to say no. So when it comes to making peace with having to disappoint other people, there are three components that I want to cover. The first one is that it's really important that you remember that aside from your kids, and sometimes not even always in that situation, or when they're children that are under your care for whatever reason, it is not your job to take care of other people. Yes, you can help people take care of themselves, but you are not responsible for other people's happiness or their well-being. Happiness and well-being come from inside of us, which is something that you as an empath probably understand quite well. And you're also probably working on this in yourselves. You're trying to find balance in yourself and find happiness in yourself and not rely on external factors. And that's awesome, that's wonderful, that is what true empowerment really is. But you're taking that sense of empowerment away from those in your life when you don't give them the chance to practice that for themselves. And that is a second component. And that's probably because you think when you have to disappoint someone, you're thinking, but what if they really need me? Or what if they feel sad or their feelings get hurt because I had to disappoint them? And the thing about that is when you worry about someone and you worry that they won't be able to find alternate solutions for themselves, or they won't be able to feel happy without you, or they're not capable enough to handle the situation, or they have some kind of weakness that you need to compensate for, that worry is you not believing in them. And that is component number 3. So the third component is worrying about others is lack of belief in their ability to live their lives in the best way for them. Which is funny because empaths always believe in other people. When people come to us and share their dreams, we get automatically excited for them and we get excited about all the possibilities, because to us it's not just a dream, it's not just some silly dream that they're sharing with us. To us it's something that could be real, and we believe not just in the dream, but we believe in the person behind that dream. So the question to ask yourself is, why are you doubting them now and at the first sign of trouble? And I want you to think of a time when someone underestimated you or didn't believe in you, and how frustrating and discouraging that felt. And I also want you to keep in mind that at the end of the day, you actually really do believe in these people in your lives. You just have to remember that. And you have to remember that not just in the happy and easy times, but in the challenging times as well. We all came here as equally worthy souls, and whether or not we remember it, we all came here knowing that we could handle whatever life throws our way. And when we don't let others handle things for themselves, we take away their chance of finding their own empowerment, and we stunt their growth. So the next time that you need to disappoint somebody or say no, and you feel the sadness that they're going to feel when you have to share that news with them, remember that you're actually supporting them at a soul level to step up, to be empowered, and to take ownership of their own lives, because they really, really can do it. As always, don't forget to check the description box where you'll get access to a free course for empaths. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment, and I will see you in my next video.